video, and today we are replacing the clock spring on my G35. This thing is dirty. But as of right now, I took the positive and the negative off so it can sit off for 6 minutes. So once those 6 minutes are up, we're gonna jump into removing the airbag. T30 bolts on both sides. I have to take this one off also.
Now, as you see, I've removed both T30 torque screws just so I can remove the airbag, as you see coming up in this part.
And you should be able to just pull the airbag out just like this, carefully. And you have 2 clips and a 19mm bolt. To take these 2 clips off, you want to get a flat head, pull up these 2 black clips on it, and then it should be able to come right out. So right now, I just took my breaker bar to break loose this 19mm bolt. You should be able to give the steering wheel a tug. It should come right out.
Hey, what's up guys? It's the next day because the last clock spring did not fit the G35 coupe. It went to a sedan. I had to wait a couple days for the new clock spring to come in, which I have here. What I'm doing now is taking off this little screw to this connector and removing all of the other connectors. Okay, so now that we have the old clock spring out, you want to remove this back piece to go on to the new one. Now that we have this back together, also you want to make sure that this does not move and it stays straight. Also, when putting this back on with the steering wheel, you do not want to rotate this at all. You want to keep it straight. So right now it should look like this. As I put everything back on, I will take this back off one more time. I screwed in the screws in this hole I screwed this back on, all 3 screws on the back, put all the clips back on to the turn signals.
Just like that. Clip back in. That's still connected. This is back in there.
Now you want to take your airbag carefully and put the clips right back in. Okay. You want to torque this back on. Okay, so now I put both T30s back in. If my cruise control and my other buttons will work. That looks fine. Oh yeah, and now I can use my volume controls. It was a quick tutorial on how to replace your clock spring.